Right, we're going to attempt to part this off. I don't hold a lot of hope, but hey ho. Somewhere along the line I have. Oh, where's my shoe? That'll catch it, hopefully. Turning it in really slowly. Just watching what I'm doing, just keep stopping every now and again. There we go. I was quite shocked at how well that parted off. There we go. Right, that's our bush.
you can see, I'm just doing small amounts at a time. I'm actually 20 thousandths deep, and I think that's a 13mm carbide cutter, but on a setup like that it could be very dangerous to take it all at once and it grab, because it's a circular part, and then we'd just be in a world of hate. So I'm just doing a small amount at a time. I'm only able to take off probably 20 thou in total, so a couple of thou at a time, 3 or 4 different depths, and just slowly catch the monkey and make it nice and safe. I'm sorry about the camera tripod there, as you can see, in the way. I didn't realise it was set there in front of the camera, but that's what we're doing, just nice and steady and just making it the correct width. Right, well there we go, it's all pushed in, nice and flat each side. So we'll put some bearing lock on it. So that's that piece done. So that'll press onto there, and we've got the sprocket which will go on there. So the sprocket will be on there. I think we need about 55mm for the sprocket to go. So we'll have something to turn down off here. So we'll have this sprocket to put in and turn it down. What I'm going to do now is start on the other side. This is the drive which will go on the PTO of the tractor. This is the pump. I'm going to get that bearing on there, and then we can start working on the plate and make sure that the end of this finishes with a sprocket. I need 6 pair of hands. With this sprocket and this sprocket have to be
have to be in line. So I've not done anything on. I'm learning myself Fusion 360 at the minute, but I'm certainly not far enough on to do any drawings. So I've just done rough drawings, rough sketches, chicken sketches, really you'd call them. But I need these need to be in line, pretty accurate. So we'll make the next part. This part, get that bearing wherever it is, put on there. This goes on the PTO with the tractor, get that bearing on there, and then we can work out whereabouts we're going to put the next sprocket and how we're going to drive it. It's going to have to fit in there somehow. Alright, moving on. Right, this is the bit that goes onto the tractor. We're going to take the splines out of this to about 3 centimetres, and then we're going to make a part to actually go inside, and we'll turn the outside diameter down as well to fit that bearing. Right, let's get to it. Not with that, I won't.